Hi, this is Deb from Deb's Days. It's Tutorial Tuesday, and today we're going to make a life preserver Christmas ornament out of buttons. This super fast project is one I learned on a cruise ship. Go figure. For this project you will need red and white buttons. I used 36 red and 36 white, a pipe cleaner or wire, and some twine or string. Thread the red buttons into the center of the pipe cleaner. Add white buttons to the left, then add white buttons to the right. Add red buttons to the left, then to the right. Then add the next round of buttons. Once all the buttons are on, twist the pipe cleaner to close it. Then tuck it back in between the buttons to hide it. Adjust everything to make it look like a circle shape. Tie the twine at the bottom of the ornament in between the buttons. And work your way around both sides, tying again in between the buttons as you work your way up. Once at the top, tie it off in a knot, and then make a loop for hanging. Christmas tree ornament? Maybe. If you'd like to see more craft projects, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And stop by the blog at debsdays.com. See you next week with another project.